Alright, here we are, May 3rd, 2020, at the Newland Creek Trail, and we're at the Sawmill portion of it. We're just about to cross into that area. Come on, Rip, go ahead. Go ahead, buddy. Come on. Let's go. Come on, buddy. And just right over here is a placard. Rip taking a leak. And all is well. It's really... Rip's got to kick as much dirt as he can. Good boy. Good boy. Let's go. Tell you what would be awesome is to come up here and camp. And people do that. But what a hike in order to... You know, if I was going to do it, I'd want to be up here for at least the weekend. Herrick Sawmill. And there's the old steam, what the hell is it called again? Well, yeah, it's the steam boiler and flywheel, and that's what you're seeing. Since 1887. '16, 17, 18, 19. We did come up here in 15. The thing is that I didn't carve anything into this tree at that time. In fact, we came up here a few times in 15. So I'm going to carve 20 into it.